Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your Facebook page monetization. If you have page and then your criteria is already completed, so how you can apply your page to earn money from anywhere in the world. So now I am currently applying from the UAE because my page is running in the UAE. I cannot apply from the Pakistan because it's not eligible for the Pakistan country. So my page is running from the UAE. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so now as you can see, this one is the Facebook profile, and then if I can click the page, here is the page. So if I can show you the page, you can see here the criteria is complete, 10,000 like and 11k followers. If we go to the creator studio, if I can show you, you can see. So the monetization tab, if I click, here you can see no monetization violations, and then action is required in stream ads, and then we need to get start. So without wasting time, we just click the get started. Then here is asking the complete setup task to submit your page for review. Complete all the required setup tasks. So first thing is the agreement, the terms and condition agreement. So we need to review and then click agree to continue. So we just click the review terms and then read properly terms and condition. After the last option, we need to agree to terms. So that one is the first option. You can see the first option, agree to terms and condition, is completed. Now second, set up payout account. So before we set up payout account, you need to prepare your documents that you can provide here, the details, all everything as per your government documents, so it will not mistaken and then your Facebook will not approve in the monetization. So you need to be careful that fill up the all information correctly as per your documents, address, bank account details, all everything. So we continue, click set up account, set up payout account, and then select your page. So if you have multiple pages, you need to select the page you want to monetize. So I select this one and then click next. Now here is asking the country, which country belongs to your applying for the monetization, because if I select here the Pakistan is not available. So this page is actually running from the UAE. So I select the UAE. You select your country as per you can provide the documents. So I select the United Arab Emirates, and then second option is business type. So I select the individual. If you have partnership or joint venture or LLC or public corporation, private corporation, government corporation, I am the individual person, so I just select the individual and then click next. Now here you asking your name, middle name and last name and date of birth. So this one you fill up your as per your government ID. So I fill up faster. So after fill up your name and date of birth, scroll down and then provide here the home address. So we provide the address here. Then here is asking the tax identity number. So tax identity number, you can fill up your identity card number. If you are Pakistani citizen or if you are Indian citizen, you can add your PAN card here. So I'm putting here text identity number. So if you add your ID card number, you need to add without dashes. Then scroll down. Here is asking the VAT and GST registration number. It's optional. If you have the VAT or GST registration number, you can add here. If you don't have, you just check this box and then click next. Now here is asking the bank account payment method. So here is the option, the manual link bank account or link your PayPal account to get paid. So you have two options that you can select. So I am adding here the manual bank account number. So I select the country same, I select the United Arab Emirates. Then account holder name. So here is asking the your IBAN number, international bank account number. So you fill up your IBAN number and then scroll down, then click link payout method. So I click the link payout method. So here is asking now our tax information. If you want to add now or add later, there is two options. So I'm continue updating the all information. So I just click the add tax information. So this tax information is same like YouTube, they are asking the tax information. So I continue to my account. And then you can see here it's automatically selected individual. And then here is asking the are you a citizen of US or permanent residence of a green card holder US. So I'm not a citizen of US, so I just click no. So here is asking the are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person or such as a follow-through entity. So that is the if you are receiving your payments on behalf to others, you can select yes. But this one is my original, I'm the one person in the holding, so I select the no and then click next. Here is asking the full name, it's automatically fill up. And then citizenship, country of citizenship. So I need to select here my citizenship is original Pakistan, so I select the Pakistan because I must select here Pakistan. So my tax information is automatically fill up here my ID card number. Just click the next. Now you can see here asking the address, but if you can see here, that one is my address is already here, that previously I fill up in the Facebook page monetization. So I just click the next, and then you can see here the add your mailing address. This one is my mailing address already mentioned, so I click the next. Now here is asking provide additional details relating to your services. Next. So here is the terms and condition. I certified that, check this box, and then fill up your legal name, and then here is date. Today is 5, so click next. So you can see our form is ready, review and submit. So you can see here all the text information details is here. Then you can submit the form. So you can see our text information is approved and complete, then click done. Now you can see setup payout account. You are all set for now. So update your, if you want to update anything, so I just click the done. If your $100 complete, they will pay out you. So same like other channels. So I select done, and then you can see here that your payout account is connected. A payout account is now associated with your page. So we just click the done. So you can see the first option is completed and setup, second option is completed. So I click submit for review. So once click submit for the review, it will take the 24 hours to 48 hours, and then they will notify us that our page is get monetized or no. That is the full easy procedure that you can apply your Facebook page for the monetization anywhere in the world. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. Thank you.